welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna Monet. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, then welcome. I do hope you will consider subscribing by the end of this video. And if you are a returning subby back to see your girl, then hey girl, hey, how you doing? I'm so glad you are back. So today I do have a special treat for you guys because I was sent a human hair wig to review by Ishowbeauty Hair Company. Special thank you to Ishowbeauty Hair for sending this unit to me to review. So we're going to get into this package. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Let's get into it. Let's go. So on here they have a sticker. This hair is 22 inches long. This is how the hair is looking. Oh, it feels so soft, you guys. Feels really soft. Looks pretty. Let's get into this cap construction. It comes with 2 combs right here and 1 comb in the back. It comes with adjustable straps and the cap does feel kind of stretchy. So that is what the hair is looking like straight out of the pack. I'm going to wash this hair so the texture might be gone. I'm gonna wash this hair, I'm gonna let it air dry, and I will be back when I'm ready to install it. Hey you guys, so this is what the hair is looking like after I washed it. It still has like a slight wave to it. I just washed it and I let it air dry. Feels really soft, tangle free. So I'm going to try it on and, style it for you guys. It's 22 inches long, so that is where it's falling on me. So what I'm gonna do is just take some mousse and take some flexi rods and I'm gonna curl her up, let her sit, and then I will show you guys the end result. Okay, you guys, here is my wig that's looking very much like a toupee right now. Don't worry about that. We are going to style her finally.
I choke you down just like a pill.
So I am all back from styling this wig, and you saw exactly what I did. This is a 22-inch lace closure part wig, and all the details on how you can purchase it and the price of this wig will be on the screen and in the description box below. Okay, so let's get into my thoughts on this wig and all that good stuff. The very first thing I noticed about this hair was that it was so soft. Even before I washed it, it was very soft. This hair did not come with an odor or with a smell or anything, but I did go ahead and wash it anyway. You know, with everything we have going on today, you can never be too safe. I would not say that this hair sheds a lot. Even after I washed her and I was like combing through her wet with the conditioner, I only had about maybe 4 or 5 strands in the sink. And just now, as I was combing through these curls, let me show you the comb. Do y'all see that? That's all I got from her. So that's all the shedding I got from this unit so far. You can barely even see it. So she is not a shedder. Even after the flexi rods and like these big curls, she is not really tangling. So check. And these curls are giving me like old school Hollywood glam. It is fitting on my head pretty well. Y'all know I have a big head, so it is fitting on my head pretty well. I did not glue her down. I just put her on, and that's how she's looking. I might do a little, you know, pin back this and swoop my edges a little bit. But I really do like this wig, you guys. I like this hair. It feels really, really good. So that is about everything I have to say on this hair, you guys. Once again, I would like to give a special thank you to Ishowbeauty Hair for sending me this unit. I think it is very lovely. If you're interested in the price, the details, and all of that good stuff, then check out the description box below. And I will see you later.